In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the eBay Time Away vacation mode settings for 2025. Managing your eBay store while you're not around can be a challenge, but with eBay's Time Away feature, you can take a break without worrying about your business. This tool is perfect for sellers who want to enjoy some time off while ensuring their store continues to function smoothly in their absence. Let's dive into how you can activate and customize this setting for a hassle-free experience. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account. This step is essential for every transaction you handle on eBay. Once logged in, head over to My eBay and navigate to the Selling section. Here, you'll find access to your Seller Hub, a handy dashboard where you manage all your sales activities. The feature is one of many tools at your disposal in the Seller Hub, designed specifically to give you control while you're away. Once you're in the Seller Hub, look under Selling Tools and click on Time Away. This option is your go-to for taking a break or going on vacation while still ensuring that your business runs smoothly back home. A crucial part of this page is the decision point where you can choose how you want your vacation mode to function. You'll find two main options here. The first option allows you to pause item sales. This means buyers will not be able to purchase your fixed price items while you're away. It gives you peace of mind that no new orders will come in, preserving your inventory and preventing any backlog of orders to worry about upon your return. The second option is to allow sales but extend the handling time. This gives your buyers the opportunity to continue purchasing, but you'll have a longer period to ship the items once you're back. If you're not completely closing shop and your handling time is usually tight, extending this time frame can be a practical solution while you're away. Next, you'll need to set your start and end dates. These dates define the period in which you'll be taking your time off. Having a clear start and end will enable eBay to automatically manage your store settings during these timelines, ensuring a seamless switch back to normal operations once your vacation is over. You can also use this feature to plan around busy seasons or holidays, ensuring that your store maintains efficiency even when you're away. Finally, make sure to click Apply. This is a vital step to ensure all the selections and timelines you've set are saved and activated on your account. Once applied, all the changes you've configured will take effect, giving you the confidence to enjoy your break, knowing your store is managed professionally. So the next time you plan a vacation, remember that with eBay's Time Away feature, your online store getaway is just as easy to manage as setting up a real-life escape. And rest assured, your store is well taken care of. Happy eBaying.